I picked up this electric jackhammer from Amazon. After unboxing, the first order of business is opening the oil tank. They do include oil, just not quite enough. Thanks a lot. So I topped it off with some motor oil I had on hand and closed the tank with this wrench. Changing the bit is simple. Pull this collar out and rotate it 180 degrees. Just remember to rotate it back after the tool's in, otherwise the bit will politely fall out the moment you flip the jackhammer over. We've got some excavation to do and ran straight into a pocket of limestone. Pick and shovel weren't exactly winning that battle, so let's see what the jackhammer thinks. Nice. Goes through it without a problem. It runs clean. No refueling. No fumes. And it's not outrageously loud. Just make sure you plug it into a properly rated outlet. You'll want 20 amps with this one. If you're in the US, just divide the rated wattage by 110 volts to figure out the required breaker size. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.